welcome back children. So good morning to all of you. Now can you understand? It is a very important device to understand place and place values of the number. You have learned the numbers from 21 to 50. So this is an abacus. Okay, this is called an abacus, and you can clearly see that it has two places, ones and tens. And here you can see that in the ones place there is one bead, and in tens place there are two beads. Can you guess what is the number? In the place is here tens, but there are two beads, that means two tens. Two tens means 20, and one bead in ones place, that is 1. So 20 and 1. So it is equal to 21. So the number is here 21. Now let me just insert another bead here, one bead here, another bead here. Okay. Now can you guess the number? What is the number here? In tens place, now you can see there are 3 blue beads, and in ones place there are 2 green beads. So that means 3 tens. What is the number? 30. And 2 beads in ones place, that means 2. So the number is here 32. In this way, children, you can play the game and you can understand the place value and the place. Now here you can understand, I'm just this will be a green beads. Okay, that's why I have put in here green bead. So 4 tens, 40, and 3 ones, that is 3. So 40 and 3 means here 43. That means the place is here tens, the place value is 40. Place is here ones, and the place value is 3. Okay, so in this way children, there are more beads now, and you can insert and you can play the game with this abacus. So you have learned children what is place and place value of the number. Thank you children, today this much. Tomorrow next we come to the next concept. So welcome back children. Okay, so for this today let me start increasing order. What do you mean by increasing order? Increasing order means small to bigger number. So here I have placed some of the butterflies with the numbers. Okay, butterflies with the numbers. Now he is an uncle. He has to find out the number which is the smallest number here. Children, also you can play. Wait. What is the smallest number? 21. See, this is the 21. 21 is the smallest number. Next number is 25. He jumps to 25. Okay. Then he comes to 26. So 21, then 25, then 26. Next number, find out. Yes, 30 is the next number. 21, 25, 26, 30. So now next number, what will be the next number? Okay, he jumps to 34. Look at here, 34. So 21, 25, 26, 30, 34. He jumps to 34. So what is the next number children? Okay, he has to jump here, 38. So 21, 25, 26, 34, and then he comes to 38. Okay. Now what will be the next number? Okay, we have missed one. Okay, no. 21, 25, 26, 30, we have done it. 30, then 34, then 38. So next next number 45. He has to jump to 45. Okay. So this is the increasing order, or sometimes we can also call it as ascending order. So what is the first number? 21, 25, 26, 30, 34, 38, 45. Next he has to jump to 46. He has to jump to 46. Okay. So, and now he has reached to 46. And what is the largest number here? The largest number he has to jump to 50. So, he has, this is a mess and he has solved this mess. How? By finding out the increasing order of the numbers. So again, let me recall. First number is 21. Next number is 25. Next number is 26. Then it is 30. Then it is 34. Next is 38. Then it is coming to, okay, 45. 45. Then it comes to 46. And at last it comes to 50. So I think you have understood, children. So this is called the increasing order of the numbers, and it is also called ascending order. Thank you, children. Today this much only. Let me explore next time. Thank you. Welcome back, children. So you have learnt already from 21 to 15. Today you will assess yourself. Okay. So I have brought the between number, after number and the before number. So you have to guess it. So now, children, this is a complete board for you. You have to assess, and these are all smiley. If you are correct, so this smiley will come out. So this is the before number, between number, after number. I will open for the between number. You have to guess for the before and the after. Let me start. The between number is 25. Tell me the before number, children. Before 25, what is the number? What is the number before 25? It is 24. See, the smiley is there. If you are correct, then it is smiling. After number, after 25 is how much? It is 26. Okay. Suppose if I open one of the between number, this is 30. Now guess it, children. This is 30. What will be the before number? The before number will be 29. Before 30 is 29. And after 30 is how much? It is 31. After 30 is 31. Okay. Now, next is, suppose the between number is 36. Now children, do guess. What is before 36? What is before 36? Okay, let me see. This is 35. Before 36 is 35. And what is after 36, children? After 36 is 37. I think you are correct. Now come to next number. The next number, between number is what? 40. The between number is 40. Okay, so what will be the before number, children? What is before 40? Before 40 is 39. What is after 40, children? After 40 is 41. Now I am testing one. You have to guess the between number. The before number is 30 and the after number is here 40. Now what will be the between number? If you guess, children, before the number is 38. and after the number is 40. So what will be the between number? Okay, it is 39. See, look at it, is 39. So I think all the smiley are smiling, isn't it? I think all the smiley are smiling. So children, you have enjoyed. I think you have learned everything. What is before number, after number and between number. Thank you children. God bless you all. Good morning children. So already you have learned 21 to 50. So many tests you have already given. So today let me start counting with twos. Counting with twos. Now this is a number board. Now come to this number board now. This is a number board for you. Just yes, this is a number board. And you have learned right from 21 to 50. Some of the numbers are here hidden, children. Now, can you guess why these numbers are hidden? You have to count today with twos. Means, you have to suppose, you know that 21, after 21 it is 22. You have to skip 22 and come to 23. So, this is called counting in twos. So, after 21 it will be now 23. This is counting in twos. Next number will be, children, come. Next number will be 25. 26 is hidden. Next number will be 27. Then you have to skip to 29. 28 is skipped. So 29. Then 30 is skipped. Then 31. After 29, then it will be 31. After 31, it will be 33 because 32 will be skipped. You are counting in twos. So 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. So this way it will complete the counting in twos. So let me recall again. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. So this is called counting in twos. Now I will just reverse it now. It will be 21, 23. So I am writing this number now. You can also guess it now, children. This way also you can go. Just wait a minute. I'll make for you counting in twos. Okay. So now children, let me start from 22. 22, then 24, then 26, then 28, then 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now you have understood children, this is called counting with twos. So tomorrow we'll learn about counting with fives. Okay. So today goodbye children and write all the numbers in your copy. Thank you children. Okay, thank you very much. Good morning students, how are you? Today let you see, this is a number card for you and it starts from 21 and it ends at 50. Each row is having 10 numbers, see? It starts from 21, ends at 30. This one 31 to 40 and then 41 to 50. Let me have a magic pattern to do. We blend the alphabets with the numbers. Now let me play this. Suppose I am having an alphabet A. I am putting this here, A, in the first row, and then I am putting this alphabet B here. I am putting the next alphabet C here. Now what are the numbers you can see, children? What are the numbers you can see? The numbers you can see is 21, then 24, 27 and 30. In between you can find out A, B, C. These three alphabets are here. A, B and C. Children, can you guess what are the numbers are here hidden? The numbers are here 22 and 23. Here the numbers are 25, 26. Here the numbers are 28, 29. So in place of 22 and 23 you are having the alphabet A. So this is called the blending of alphabets with the number. So this is a number come alphabet pattern. Number come alphabet pattern. Similarly, you can do with this. Suppose 31. Then come to this 32 and 33. Okay, put this. Here also you can put the alphabet here. And then here also you can put the alphabet F here. What are the numbers you can see? 31, then 34, then 37 and 40. What are the numbers here? What are the alphabets here? D. Here the alphabet is E. Here the alphabet is here F. So what are the numbers here hidden here? 32, 33, 35, 36, 38, 39. So it's a wonderful game, isn't it? So in place of 32, 33, we are having the alphabet D and so on. Similarly, you can play the game for the row 41 to 50. I think you have enjoyed, children. So it's a number come alphabet pattern and it's a blending of alphabets with the numbers. So thank you, children. Make your own patterns and show me the next day. Thank you. Thank you very much, children. Good morning, children. How are you, children? I think you are very, very fine. Come, let's play a puffer train, okay? Puffer train, little noisy puffer train. Puffer train, little noisy puffer train. Will you take me, please? Puffer train, are you going to the sea? Will you please take me? Chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk. So it's a train, wonderful train. But this wonderful train is something different, children. It is a number train, okay? And you can see that it starts from 21. It starts from 21, then 22, 23, 20. See, some of the numbers are also missing. Some of the numbers are also missing. Can you guess, children? So let me guess. Okay, this is another train. Another train is over here. Puffer train. Now this train is going to the sea. And some of the numbers are also missing. But children, you have to make it complete. Okay. So let me start. 21, 22. This number is missing. Tell me. It is what? It is 23, I think. Isn't it? I'm just keeping here and taking out. It is 23. 24. Then this number is missing. Children, tell me. 25. 26, 27, 28, 29. Then this number is missing. Sorry, 30 is over. 30. This one will be 30. Okay, this one will be 30. Let me just do it afterwards. It will be 30 here. Okay. Then 31, 32. Tell me here. Which number? 33. Isn't it? So let me take it out. 33. I'm just taking it out. 33. Then 34, 35. Isn't it? So these are the missing numbers, children. Now this train is completely number train. Okay? Now come to this part, children. Another train is here with you. So 36, it starts from 36. 37, 38, 39. And then next one number is 40. 41, 42. Next number is here. 43, children. 44, 45. Then it is 46. 47, 48, 49, 50. So you have learned the number train is as from 21 to 50. I think you have enjoyed it, children. So goodbye, number train. You can go to the sea. So let you see tomorrow, children. Thank you very much. Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are all very fine. So let me start today the place values. The last class I told you about the place values. So this is for your self-assessment. You can do yourself. Okay. Now this is a card where you can find out this is tens, this is ones, and the numbers are written over here. So look at here, tens. Now tell me 2 tens. It is how much? It is 20. Okay. And 3 ones. It is how much? 3. So the number is here. How? What is the number then? 23. Similarly, you can go to this one. Suppose this is 3 tens. The 3 tens means how much? 30. Okay. And then see 0 ones. 0 ones means 0. So the number will be what? The number is 30 only. Okay. So in this way you can play, you can assess yourself the tens place and the ones place. So the place is here tens, but the place value is here 20. Okay. Similarly, now come to this part. This is also tens and ones for you. Let me come to this part. This is 4 tens. That means the place is tens. What is the place value? The place value is here 40. Okay. And this is 6. 6 is in what place? Ones place. So what is its value? 6. So what is the number here? What is the total number is? 46. Similarly, if you go to this one, this is your tens place and the number is here 5. Okay. So, what is the place value? 50. The place is tens, the place value is 50. And now come to this one also, the 0, it is in the place ones. What is the value? 0 only. So, the number is here 50. I think you have enjoyed it. self-assessment. This is a self-assessment for you. You can learn by doing this. Thank you, children. God bless you all.